Hello people, in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove a green screen in After Effects in few easy steps. Okay, now in After Effects I've got this lovely lady enjoying her music and dancing, but the only problem here is that we've got this green screen that we have to remove. And to do that, we have to go to Effects and Presets and type down Key Light. Go down to Keying and grab the Key Lights 1.2 and drop it over your video. And from there we're gonna go to Key Lights, and from screen color we're going to change it from black to green by using this drop pipe, and just select the green color on the screen. And as you can see, I've got a background under this video, so we can see the difference between the green screen and the background. Now we have to do few adjustments here, because as you can see, if I go through the video, we've got the lights going through browser and we don't want that. So to fix that, I will open the Screen Mate, and from here we're gonna go to Clip White and reduce it to like 75. I think it's enough. Now after we've done that, to see if there is any remain green particles on the screen, we can go up to View and change it from Final Result to Color Correction Edges. And when we change it, we can see that we have just a little bit left over here on the sides and also on the edges of the girl. So what I will do, I'll increase it a little bit so they would disappear slightly. And also we can go down to Screen Deposit White and increase it, and this will reduce this whiteness on the screen as well. And then I'll go back to View and change it back to Final Result. And as you can see, it looks fine, but here the problem with this footage is that this girl has a very curly detailed hair, which can make this process a little bit more complicated. Also, if you're not happy with the result, you can play around with the screen grain, screen balance and the other settings, so you can find the best result for you. And now let's play the clip and see what it looks like. And to be honest, we have a pretty satisfying result. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did so, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more After Effects tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.